What's up guys, my name is Andy. In this video, I want to replace the trunk mat that I have in my 66 Mustang. What the previous owner put in just this automotive carpet or whatever that is better than nothing, but it doesn't really fit well. It kind of, it's tucked in over here just so that it doesn't fall down, you know, and as you look around the perimeter, you can tell that he just cut it with, I don't know, a dull razor blade really, and it doesn't really fit very well in here. It's not very, you know, tucked in very nice, and see, I just barely touched it right here and it fell off on this side over here. So what I want to do is I want to put in a trunk mat that is shaped to fit the trunk. You know, like I said, having something like this is better than nothing, but I think we can upgrade this to a little bit nicer setup. What I decided to go with is a Lloyd's mat. You know, they're custom fit formed mats, and I got this from CJ Pony Parts. And let's just pull this out here. And the nice thing about this is that it's shaped, you know, to fit the trunk, and then it's got this trim, you know, lacer on the outside just to kind of clean it up and make it look nice. And let's unroll it out. And see, it's got a cutout for the gas tube down there. And oh, here, we probably don't need this on there. This is just the guy that made the mat. So I think this is going to be a much better fit than what we have in there now. So let's pull the old mat out and then put this new one in. And thankfully something like this is pretty easy to take out. You don't have to worry about anything it's not mounted down or screwed down, so we can just pull this thing out of here. And one of the nice things about the new mat is it's got a cutout for this. I believe this is where the jack goes or something like that for if you had one of these in your car, but it's got a little cutout in the carpet for that, which is kind of nice. I don't know if you guys are going to have, this is just a piece of, you know, wood that somebody had placed in here to kind of bring up the floor of the trunk there, because the gas tank's underneath here, so you guys probably don't have that. And then of course this piece on the side is probably supposed to be, I don't even know if that's a factory piece, but anyway, so let's put the new carpet in and see how it fits. All right, we'll just place this in here like so and unroll this. So again, the cutout for the gas tube right there. All right, we'll fix this side here. You know, at first I was going to say that this thing doesn't fit very well. This cutout doesn't align with that trunk, but what I've got is, remember I've got that board underneath here. So I think I need to take that board out because this carpet is meant to kind of fit along the gas tank, then come up and and over here, and I think that'll fit better. So let's get that board out of there. Oh, yeah, see? They use pool noodles to create a false kind of a height thing to keep, yeah, because see, this one's shorter than that one's a little bit taller, and because the gas tank kind of slopes down with the trunk, so kind of an ingenious way to kind of create a false floor, but it's not going to work with the carpet that we have. This is probably a good time to go ahead and vacuum everything out while you got everything exposed and open. All right, now let's try this again. There, that fits around the wheel well a lot better and around this flange here. Yeah, getting that board out of the way is what I needed to do. Yeah, see, then you got that cutout for the access to that part if you need that. So this does fit a lot better than the homemade mat that was in there. However, there are some pieces over here in the corner that I wish it was cut out a little bit more to fit. And I guess I could always slice the carpet myself to make it fit over here. But this does look better. Looks like we're trying now. So guys, I'm happy with this setup. I think this is a large improvement over the carpet that was in there before. Do know that the coupe trunks are a little bit deeper, so I think the carpet's shaped a little bit different in the back there, but I believe you can select that when you're going through and getting the carpet. But other than that, I think this looks much better, and I'm happy. So guys, if you liked the video, give me a thumbs up, and if you subscribe, I appreciate it because it helps my channel out, and we'll see you in the next one.